Molecular formula of important bases. Number 1, potassium hydroxide KOH. Number 2, sodium hydroxide NaOH. Friends, sodium hydroxide is also called as caustic soda. Number 3, calcium hydroxide CaOH by 2. Number 4, magnesium hydroxide MgOH by 2. Number 5, ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. Number 6, zinc hydroxide ZnOH by 2. Number 7, aluminum hydroxide AlOH by 3. Number 8, barium hydroxide BaOH by 2. Number 9, iron hydroxide FeOH by 3. And number 10, lithium hydroxide LiOH.